Pressure-sensitive adhesive tape is a manufacturing solution that most people overlook until they realize how many products depend on it every single day. From medical devices and electronics to automotive assembly and aerospace applications, PSA materials have become a critical part of modern manufacturing because they offer a cleaner, faster, and more efficient way to bond components together. In this video, we'll break down what pressure-sensitive adhesives are, how they work, and why manufacturers often choose it over alternatives. Pressure-sensitive adhesive, or PSA, is a type of adhesive material that bonds to a surface when pressure is applied. Just think about your common roll of Scotch tape in your junk drawer. Unlike adhesives that require heat, water, or chemical activation, PSA tapes are designed to create an immediate bond simply through contact and pressure. Some PSAs are designed for temporary use, allowing parts to be repositioned or removed without damaging the surface, while others are engineered for permanent bonds that can rival the strength of the bonded materials themselves. Modern PSA materials have evolved into highly engineered bonding solutions capable of handling demanding industrial applications. PSA tapes are not always the right answer for every application, but when the right conditions are met, they can become the most efficient and effective bonding option available. Manufacturers often choose pressure-sensitive adhesive tape over alternatives because it solves many of the common issues associated with traditional bonding methods. Rivets and fasteners may provide permanent attachment, but they add weight, require holes in materials, and can lead to vibration or corrosion problems over time. Welding creates a strong bond as well, but not every material can be welded, and the process itself is labor-intensive and expensive. Liquid and spray adhesives offer strength, but they're difficult to apply consistently, can create a messy production environment, and usually require curing time that slows manufacturing. PSA tapes simplify these challenges by offering immediate bonding, cleaner application, reduced labor, and easier automation. Different manufacturing industries benefit from PSA tapes in specialized ways depending on their production requirements and environmental challenges. In the medical industry, PSAs are used in wound care products and medical devices where cleanliness, precision, and regulatory compliance are critical. Electronic manufacturers rely on PSA materials for insulation, thermal management, and electrical sealing, especially as devices continue shrinking in size while increasing in performance. Automotive manufacturers use PSA tapes to speed up the assembly process, reduce weight, and simplify installation on production lines. Aerospace companies benefit from PSA materials because they contribute to lighter and quieter aircraft while still performing in extreme environments. In industrial and appliance manufacturing, PSA tapes improve efficiency by reducing waste and simplifying assembly operations. As you can tell, pressure-sensitive adhesives can be used in every industry, but these were some of the examples that we see most. Converting comes into play when you're ready to take these adhesives and turn them into custom formats that are ready for manufacturing and assembly. The success of a PSA application depends heavily on the application, but working with an experienced converter can improve your chances for success. Converting processes include slitting materials to precise widths, die cutting custom shapes, and kiss cutting layers for easier handling and assembly. Rather than cutting materials by hand, converters create repeatable, high-volume parts that improve consistency and reduce waste. A skilled converter can also laminate multiple materials together when a single existing material cannot meet the application requirements. This allows manufacturers to create highly customized adhesive solutions tailored specifically to their new product, assembly process, and performance needs. At the end of the day, pressure-sensitive adhesives are much more than just tape. Whether you're exploring PSA solutions for the first time or looking to improve an existing application, working with an experienced converter like Strauss can help ensure that you get the performance, consistency, and long-term reliability your project demands. If you're interested in learning more about PSAs or how Strauss can help you, feel free to visit our Learning Center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.